You have to use all three, but external will be more frequently used. So let's move ahead. Can we combine two or more different ways of style sheet applying in a single page? What do I mean? Can I apply external style as well as internal as well as inline? What do you think? For a single page, can I apply multiple styles? I am importing from external. I am defining inline style. I am defining the internal style. Can we do this? Okay, Ashish is saying yes, yes. So yes, it is true. We can go for multiple styles. So multiple sheets styles we can apply. Sorry, it's a bell of my home. Sorry to disturb you. Okay. So this is, we are applying here a style.css, which is the external style sheet, and then again one style attribute for head one. This is a internal style. I am applying the color to this. Or another example, yes, you can do like this also. First the internal style and then the external style. If you observe in the first, what is the output? As I am mentioning h1 color orange, the output of h1 will be with orange color. But if you observe in the second, when I am applying the internal style first and then this style.css. So let's say in this style.css also I have defined some style for h1. So in that case, I will not get this h1 color, orange color. If suppose in this style.css I have defined h1 with some another color, then that color output will be there for h1 tag. I hope you understand this example. I'm talking about two things. Yes, one is first inclusion of external style sheet and then internal style. There internal style will be applied, and the second one internal style, and then I am bringing the external style sheet. So in that case external style sheet will be applied. So I'm sure that you clear what will happen, what does happens with this. The value of last read style, will be used by the browser. Value of last read style will be used by the browser. Remember this, because yes, you are going to come across such situations where you have to use the internal or external style sheet. Obviously if in the code I write directly for h1, then inline will be affected, because that will be the last applied. So cascading means what you will understand now. What style will be used when there is more than one style specified for the HTML? So answer is all styles in page will cascade. Here is the meaning for cascade into a new virtual style sheet. So browser will do combination of all styles. Browser will do the combination of all styles you applied, that is the inline, internal or external, but using some rules. Few rules it will apply. Those rules are: according to the priority, one has the highest priority, the inline style, then external and internal style sheet in the head section, and then if to the browser you have applied some, style, that will be applied. So always inline will take first, that is we are directly writing h1 space style equal to, that will be applied. Then external and internal in the sequence as you applied, because I have shown you in the previous example, first external and then inline, then inline will be applied. Sorry, first external and then internal will be applied. If you declare internal first and then external style will be applied.